Now here the question is, if there is at least one complex number z which satisfy both the equality and the inequality, then real values of parameter m are given by. Now radius, it must be positive, so we'll get this condition that m plus 5, it should be greater than or equal to 0. So that's our condition for domain, that is value of m is greater than or equal to minus 5. Now from all the possible values of m, we'll exclude all those cases when these two regions, they do not have any point in common. So there can be two such cases. Case 1. Now first we'll consider this inequality region. Now center is at 4 and radius is 3 units. And since there is no equality sign, we'll draw this dotted circle. So we are talking about all the points inside this circle and then this other circle whose center is at m iota and whose radius is m plus 5. Now there will be no solution when C1, C2, it is greater than or equal to R1 plus R2. And I'm taking this equality sign here because points on this other circle, they are not included. Now what's C1, C2? C1, C2 is under root of 16 plus m square and it will be greater than or equal to m plus 5 plus 3, which is m plus 8. So it will be 16 plus m square will be greater than or equal to m square plus 64 plus 16m. Now this m square will cancel. So we'll get 16m, it is less than or equal to 16 minus 64, that is m is less than or equal to minus 3. So that's our first case. Now the second case possible when they do not have any solution is when we have this circle and this other circle and this inequality region, it lies completely inside this other circle. So for this one, condition will be C1, C2 will be less than or equal to R1 minus R2. Now C1, C2 in this case is again under root 16 plus m square and it will be less than or equal to R1 minus R2. So it will be m plus 5 minus 3. So it will be m plus 2. Now for this, m should be greater than or equal to minus 2 and if we square it, we'll get 16 plus m square will be less than or equal to m square plus 4 plus 4m. Now this m square will cancel. So we'll get m should be greater than or equal to 3. So condition is m is greater than or equal to 3. So these two circles, they won't have any solution if m is either less than or equal to 3 or m is greater than or equal to 3. So they'll have at least one point in common for all other points. So if we take all of the points in this domain, all the other points in the domain are when the value of m lies between minus 3 and plus 3. So answer to this question is when the value of m lies between minus 3 and plus 3, and that's your option C. Now here the question is the real values of parameter a for which at least one complex number satisfies the equality mod of z plus root 2 equals a square minus 3a plus 2 and inequality mod of z plus iota root 2 is less than a square. Now we'll first find condition of domain, and condition of domain will be a square minus 3a plus 2, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we simplified, this is 1 and 2, it is plus, minus and plus. So condition of domain will be either the value of a is less than or equal to 1 or the value of a is greater than or equal to 2. Now we need to find all the possible values of a for which these two regions will have at least one point in common. So what we'll do is we'll actually find all the possible values of A when they do not have any point in common. So they won't have any point in common in two cases. In the case one is when this circle whose center is at minus root 2 and radius a square minus 3a plus 2, and this inequality which is points inside this circle with center at minus iota root 2 and radius a square, they do not have any point in common, and the condition for this will be C1 C2, it should be greater than or equal to R1 plus R2. So C1 C2 is under root of root 2 plus root 2, which is under root 4, it will be 4, and it will be greater than or equal to R1 plus R2, and R1 plus R2 will be 2a square minus 3a plus 2. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel, it will be a into 2a minus 3 will be less than or equal to 0. Now this is 0, this is 3 by 2 plus minus and plus. So they won't have any solution when a lies between 0 and 3 by 2. But value of a should be less than 1. So this first case will be when the value of a lies between 0 and 1. And there won't be any solution in this second case when this inequality region, it lies completely inside this bigger circle. So for this case, condition will be C1 C2, it should be less than or equal to R1 minus R2. Now C1 C2 again will be 2 and will be less than or equal to R1 minus R2, and R1 minus R2 will be simply 3a plus 2. Now here we'll get this condition that a is less than or equal to 0. So there will be no solution when a is less than or equal to 1. So the values of a which are left in the domain are when the value of a is greater than or equal to 2. So all the values of parameter a for which there is at least one complex number in common will be when the value of a is greater than or equal to 2. So its answer should be a is greater than or equal to 2. A will be greater than 2 if we discard the possibility of a point circle. So answer should be a is greater than or equal to 2.